Someone who just like a ray of sunshine to everyone. Someone who just lights up everyone she walks into it. Someone sweet but somehow tough. Well, I know someone, and you might get to know her too. That's Rose. Rose is a typical kind-hearted girl who enjoys spending time with her friends. She enjoys the typical teenage activities like eating, writing, and cooking. And in her free time, she enjoys constructing origami flowers. And these people are her close friends, Jada, Lloyd, and Ellie.
So, kamusta na kayo?
Grabe na yan, ha? Sige, di pa rin na sa'yo. Ano lang? Tsaka vlogger ko yun.
Ngayon ka lang?
Libot-libot pa kasi kami. Maaga pa naman ako na magluluto. Ako magluluto.
Hand in hand, the flowers understand that we're fine, you and I. Hands are tied, I don't mind, I'll make you be okay. But recently,
Rose and Khalil met 2 months ago at school.
less of me.
Khalil is a good guy who is loved by those around him and excels in almost everything that he does. He likes studying and adventure, as well as music and sports. He's friendly but also very chic, which is why Rose likes him so much. He's always with his 2 buddies, Alexander, who always looks to be completely lost, and Darrell, who is only there to have fun and is also apparently displaying fondness for Rose.
It's too late now.
Ayos ka lang? Ano ginagawa mo dito?
Hello, Darrell? Oo. Si Rose to. Do you want to have dinner with me? Okay.
Hand in hand, the flowers understand that we're fine, you and I. Hands are tied, I don't mind, I'll make you be okay. But recently, everyone says they're seeing less of me. I could do better if I had energy, be like I used to be. and frequently I picture myself walking straight into the sea, laughing as the waves come rolling to my knees.
Hello?
Rose, napalitaan mo na daw ba yung nangyari sa kaibigan ni Khalil?
Hello, Khalil? Hi, gusto lang sana kita kamustahin. Nabalitaan ko kasi yung nangyari kay Darrell. May balita ka na ba? Kamusta ka? Hmm. 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 Makakauwi din yun. Balitaan mo na lang ako pag may balita ka na. Mag-iingat ka. Kayo.
Rose?
Nagustuhan mo ba? Hindi kasi ako marunong magluto eh. Ako lang nag-process sa
The flowers understand.
Ano ka ba? Masarap kaya. Hindi halatang sarap-sarap yung pagluluto mo. Next time ako nang magluluto para sa
Oo naman.
Bigla lang siguro ako.
Saan ba yung nangyari kay Darrell?
Oo, balita ko ilang araw daw hindi nagpaparamdam sa school. Tapos hindi na rin makontak nila kanina. Hanggang ngayon hinahanap pa rin ng pamilya.
Nag-aaral lang yung sabi ko sa kanya dati, hindi ko makapag-focus dahil sa
Pag-isa na lang natin na mahanap siya. Tsaka malay niya, naglaya siya. O di kaya, kaya naman niya ako. Anong oras na pala? Kailangan ko na umuwi. Dahil pa akong gagawin.
Mauna na kayo. Dadaan pa ako kay Laro. Kukunin ko yung mga naiwan ko ng gamit. Tapos papalit ko na. Rose? Nakuha ko na mga gamit ko. Pasiyar muna bago umalis.
Bakit gusto ka? Oo nga, nasa siya? Baka busy lang yun. Alam niyo kung nasabi. Ha? Di ba galing dito sa ika kahapon?
Oo, pero kinuha niya lang mga gamit ko tapos
Uy, ito yung kaibigan ni Khalil. Kasama niya dito pagka. Balita ko, first year pa lang magkaibigan sila ni Khalil. Kaya ako, sila sa Khalil.
Do you wanna go on the walk? She and Rose hit it off immediately. Both shared a passion of handicraft and cooking. They also seemed to share a liking for one. I'd say matagal-tagal na rin.
Magkakalaan na kami since bata pa kami, pero ngayon lang kami naging close ng high school. Kayo, mukhang close kayo sa isa't isa.
Ilang months pa lang kami nakakilala. Mukha kasi siya mabait eh, kaya nag-post siya. Tapos ayun, naging magkaibigan.
Alam mo, simula bata pa kami ni Kali, hindi talaga kayo magkasundo. Until recently, nagkasama ulit kami, and doon ko lang na-realize na masaya pala talaga siya kasama. And
It's not always that you see Rose angry or agitated. After all, she is just a ball of sunshine. But today was just different. And after talking to Stacy and getting to know her more, it just made it worse.
Hi, Rose. Napansin mo ba si Stacy? Oo, si Stacy. Yung kasama namin kanina. Napansin mo ba? Ano ba? Never mind. Thank you.
Bakit ngayon ka lang?
Bakit?
Ilang beses ka na umuwi ng date? Alam mo namang delikado umuwi ng ganitong oras, di ba?
Napapahinga ako. Hello? Busy ka ba bukas? Do you want to have lunch with me? Okay. Thank you.
Uy, maraming salamat pag-imbita sa akin dito. Di mo sinabi masarap ka pala magluto.
Wala yun. Di naman ako ganun kagaling eh. Natuto lang din ako. Ay, wait lang. May kukunin lang ako. Diyan ka lang.
Sure.
Bakit tao ka? Ituon mo ko! Bakit nandoon sila, Darren?
Ginawa ko yun para sa atin.
Tawan mo ko!
Hello. I'm waiting for my sister to get home as I write this blog on this anonymous account. I'm writing this to inform and warn everyone about my younger sister, who was identified as having bipolar schizoaffective disorder 5 years ago and experiences hallucinations, manic episodes, depression episodes, and a variety of other symptoms. My stepsister was the kindest girl I have ever encountered, and she was an exquisite beam of light. She was kind and considerate, but not until a month after my sister was diagnosed, she began experiences manic episodes and got more upset over a minor problems. She's been arriving home later and later lately, and occasionally, I can hear in her room that she's talking to herself. She had just killed both of the people she had brought in our home. I have been keeping quiet to try to keep myself and my sister safe. But now, I can't take it any longer. Please, Don't let my sister outward sweetness and cheer fool you. She is dangerous and susceptible to irrational outbursts.
And that's where the story ended. Everything that she had built this past few years had been destroyed and exposed. Every friend, smile, and forced reality that she had made had been thrown out the window. But alas, we can still make our own endings happen, and that's what I do. Indeed, it sometimes does not end well for good people.